Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed financing decision and dividend decision and what are the factors affected for investment decision and financing decision and dividend decision. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about financial planning. Okay. What is the financial planning? Financial planning is a preparation of financial blueprint. Preparation of financial blueprint of a business for future operation. For future operation is called as a financial planning. Financial planning is a financial planning is a preparation of financial blueprint of a business future operation is called as financial planning. See students, financial planning is the preparation of financial blueprint. Okay, before we are going to start the work means first we will plan. After that we are going to do the work. Same like that only in the organization. First they will prepare blueprint. After that they will do the work in the organization. For what purpose they are going to plan means for future operation. For future operation they are going to plan here. Okay, what is the financial planning? Financial planning is the preparation of financial blueprint. For what purpose means for future operation. Example, see I will tell 2020. Okay, 2020. Okay, if I want to plan, if I want to more profit in that organization means before only they have to plan. Means before year only they have to plan. Otherwise they will not get the profit in this year. Okay, in 2020 only they have to plan. Means if they will do plan means they will get the more profit in this year. Without plan they can't do anything in the organization. So that's why first they will plan. After that they are going to organize, and after that they are going to do directing and staffing. Finally they are going to control the organization. Already you know about this functions of management. Same like that only in every organization. First financial planning, it is first step of every organization. Okay, see here in 2020 only they will plan. If they want profit effectively means at the time they have to plan 2020 only, and they will get the more profit. Okay, and one more meaning is there, or financial planning is a estimating the funds required a business and specifying the funds or specifying the sources of funds here they will first estimate. Okay, estimate means first they will evaluate and judge. They will judge how much funds we need for this year. Okay, how much funds we need. First they will plan. Example, in 2020 they are using 10,000 sources or materials. Means they will plan for next year 2020-21. Means how much funds we need. Means example 15,000 funds we need because we are getting more demand. Means our product will get more demand, so we have to produce more products here. So that's why they will raising the funds here. So here 10,000 materials is there. For next year 15,000 materials they want. Always the financial plan which is help to maintain the sufficient funds in the organization. How much funds they need, that much funds they will arrange. Who will plan? The financial manager or financial planner will plan in the organization. Okay, means here they will judging how much funds we require. How much funds we require for a business or of a business and specify, and they will specify only this much funds it's enough. We no need more funds here. Why they will not take more funds? Means because to avoid the wastage and losses in the organization. If we will give the more funds to, if we will give more funds, means at the time they will waste. Means they will do waste or they will do wastage or losses. That's why they will give how much funds need, that much funds only they will give. Okay, this is financial planning meaning. Okay, what do you mean by financial planning? Financial planning is a preparation of financial blueprint of a business. Means it is a financial blueprint of a business for future operation is called as a financial planning. Okay, and next is financial planning is a estimating, is judging the funds, how much funds we need. How much funds we need, that much funds only the organization will provide to produce the goods and services. They will not give excess funds here. Why they will not give the excess funds? Means to avoid the wastage and losses in the organization. How much funds we need, that much funds only they will give. Only sufficient funds only they will give. Okay, that's why they are going to plan here. First, before 1 year only they are going to plan. Okay, that's why they know how much funds required for this in year. Okay, this is meaning of financial planning. They are going to estimate the funds, how much funds they will require. Okay, I think all of you understood what do you mean by financial planning. Next we will see the objectives of financial planning. Okay. Next, we will see now objectives of financial planning. Okay. See here, students, to ensure. Ensure means make sure. Ensure means make sure. Make sure availability of funds when we are required. When we want, at the time, they will provide the funds here. Okay. See here, make sure when sufficient funds they will provide. Sufficient funds available in the business. What purpose? Sufficient funds they are maintained in the business for different purpose. For different purpose. What are the different purpose means? Purchase long-term asset and to meet day-to-day expenses. What purpose they are maintaining the sufficient funds in the organization means, see here, different purpose. What are the different purpose means? Purchasing long-term assets. Purchasing long-term assets. What are the assets means? Machinery. Okay. Machinery. Building. Computer. Furniture. If they want to purchase any machinery, building, computer, furniture means they need funds. Yes, they need funds, they need money. If we don't have money means we can't purchase machinery, building and computer, furniture here. So, always the company will maintain and will give sufficient funds to different purpose. What are the different purpose means? Purchasing long-term assets and to meet the day-to-day operations or day-to-day expenses. Example, if we are manufacturing means any product means at the time, example, they will pay for office expenses. And rent and electricity bill, these are all day-to-day expenses. Who will pay? Means the organization will pay. These are all expenses. What purpose they are going to maintain the funds here? To meet the day-to-day expenses and to purchase the long-term assets. and they will waste the funds. That's why they will give only sufficient funds. If it is there, they have surplus money, they have more money. At the time they will invest in best manner. They will invest in best manner. If they will invest best manner means at the time they will get the more profit, and even it will be generating the more profits here. Okay, why they are giving only sufficient funds means if you will give more funds means they will waste that funds. That's why they will give the only sufficient funds. Okay, and even we can avoid the losses and avoid the wastage of the funds in the organization. Okay, here they will not give the excess funds here. Here they will not give the excess funds. They will not give the excess funds. Only they will give how much they need. That much funds only they will provide here. Okay. And next is framing the policies. Who will frame means financial planner. Who will frame means the financial planner will frame the policies here. The financial planner would get the policies with regarding borrowing, lending, cash control in both long term as well as short term. Okay, here they will get the policies regarding to lending and borrowing and cash control with both long term and short term. Long term and short term means the financial manager will frame the policies here. Means they have to keep in mind borrowing, lending and cash control with the long term and short term. They have to keep in mind, and after that they are going to frame the policies here. Otherwise, the policies will not follow the employees effectively. Okay. That's why they have to frame the policies. They have to keep in mind borrowing, lending and cash control with the long term and short term sources. Okay. Next is utilization of funds here. Utilization of the funds means the financial planning which is help to utilize the funds effectively. Okay. The financial planning which is help to invest the funds effectively in best manner. If we will invest the funds in best manner means at the time we will get the more profits. At the time we will get the more profits, even we can avoid the losses and wastage of the funds here. Okay, the financial planning which is help to utilize the funds effectively. Okay, they will tell how you have to invest the funds effectively. They will give the suggestions, they will give the ideas. At the time we will know where we have to invest. If we will invest means how much funds we will get. Okay. These are all objectives. Means see here it is very easy objectives. Okay. See here to ensure availability, make sure availability of the funds when we are required. When we are required means always the company will maintain the sufficient funds in the business for different purpose. What are that purpose means? To purchase in the long term assets and to meet the day-to-day expenses. For that purpose only they are going to maintain the sufficient funds in the organization. I will explain once again. See here students. give the excess funds. They will not give the more funds. Why they are not giving means to avoid the wastage. If they have more funds means they will invest in other, example, they will invest in other different assets. Okay, they will invest in best manner. Even they will get the more profit and even we can avoid the wastage. Okay, next is framing the policies. If they want to frame the policies means they have to keep in mind lending, borrowing, cash control with a short term and long term, and here utilizing the funds means the financial planning will help to utilize the funds effectively. Okay, here they will give the ideas how we have to invest the funds effectively in best possible way. They will show if we invest means we will get the maximum returns. We will get the maximum returns. Okay, these are all the objectives of financial planning. Next is functions of or importance of financial planning. Okay. Okay, next we will see the importance of financial planning. What are the important means? Okay, we will understand one by one now. Okay, see here students, it facilitates collection of optimum funds here. Okay, the financial planning will help to collection of the funds here. There, the financial planning, already I told, financial planning will give the only sufficient funds. They will give the sufficient funds. How much we need funds, that much need funds only they will provide here. Okay, the financial planning is estimating the required funds here. Okay, the financial planning is estimating the required funds, estimating the required funds here. Okay, how much funds we require, how much funds we require, that much funds only they will provide. What purpose they are providing only that much means to avoid the wastage, to avoid the wastage of funds. Only they will provide sufficient funds. Okay, what purpose they are going to provide only sufficient funds means for future purpose we should face. Yes, we have to face different situations for future purpose. Example, in this year corona pandemic is there. Okay, if we want to face this corona pandemic means at the time we need more funds. That's why they will pre-plan. Before only they will plan. If they want to do the work means before only they will plan. Means always they will give the sufficient funds here. They will not give the excess funds here. Why they will not give means to avoid the wastage. To avoid the wastage on process of the funds in the organization. For that purpose only they are going to give the only sufficient funds in the organization. Who will plan? The financial planner will plan. Okay. Next is it helps in fixing the most appropriate capital structure. The financial planning will help to fixing the most appropriate capital structure. The financial them to arrange in the various sources. From various sources. What are that sources means? Long term and short term, medium term. Okay. What are that sources means? Long term, medium term, long term, short term, long term, short term sources, medium term sources. We are raising the funds from various sources. What are that various sources means? Long term sources, medium term sources, short term sources. Long term sources, it is contributed by shareholders and debenture holders. Shareholders and debenture holders, they are going to contribute here. Shareholders, debenture holders. Shareholders and debenture holders, they are going to contribute the funds here. And the medium term sources, who will provide means the financial institutions will provide. The financial institutions. Financial institutions. What are the financial institutions? Means, see here. Financial institutions is SIDBI, IF, CHI and Exim Bank. This is financial institution. Small Industrial Development Bank of India. These are all financial institutions will provide medium term sources to company or organization. And here Industrial Finance Corporation of India and Export Import Bank. Okay, these are all financial institutions will provide the mid-term sources. And short-term sources who will provide means commercial banks. Commercial banks will provide short-term sources. What are the commercial banks? Means SBI Bank, Canara Bank, SBI Bank, Canara Bank and Vijaya Bank, Syndicate Bank. The commercial bank will provide the short-term sources to organization. Okay. And the financial decision, last class only we discussed. We are raising the funds from various sources. What are the sources means? Long term, medium term, short term. In long term sources, who will contribute? Shareholders and debenture holder. Okay. Medium term sources means who will give means financial institutions. Short term sources who will give means the commercial banks will give. Okay. Means with the help of that, these are all institutions and the commercial banks and shareholders funds, they are going to invest the funds in different assets. Okay. Next is which is help in investing finance in right project. Okay. Helps in investing finance in right project. The financial planning will suggest. The financial planning will suggest how the funds invested in best possible manner. in best possible manner. How much or how the funds are invested in best possible manner, they will tell. If we will invest means we will get the more profit. If we will invest means we will get the more profit here. The financial planning it will suggest which where we have to invest. If we will invest means how much returns we will get. Okay. And next is it helps in operation activities. It is helps in operation activities. The success or failure of production and distribution function in a business always depends upon the financial decision only. Okay, financing decision only. Success or failure. Success or failure of any business, it depends on financing or financial decision. Financial decision. Okay. Here, success or failure of production and distribution function of a business, it will be depends on financial decision. If they will take effective financial decision means at the time we can run the business smoothly. Even we can run the production and distribution function also. Otherwise, we can't run the business smoothly here. Okay. Means if they will take financial decision in best way means at the time we can run the business smoothly. Even the production and distribution function also will run the smoothly here. Okay. The next is means base of financial control. Base of financial control means, see here, the financial planning will check the financial activities. The financial planning will check the financial activities. How they will check means, they will checking to compare the actual revenue and estimated revenue. They will comparing the actual revenue. Revenue with estimated revenue, and when they will comparing the actual cost with estimated cost. Okay, they are comparing here. Okay, means always the financial planning will check the financial activities. If they know financial activities means they can easily manage and they can easily control. That's why they will check the financial activities. How they will check means to comparing the actual revenue means already we plan before year only we plan means if we will spend this much money means we will get this much profit. They have already have one plan means they will compare means my target is 10 crore rupees profit we need, but actually how much they are getting they will compare, and how much cost we spend it for that to producing the goods and services, and how much we are spent for producing the goods here or manufacturing. They will compare and after that they will control. If they will spending over means at the time they will control here. Okay. And next is helps in proper utilizing the finance year. Means it is helps in proper utilizing the finance year. The finance is the lifeblood of a business. Means the finance is a life blood of a business. The finance is a life blood of a business. So always they have to use finance effectively. Okay. The financial plan, it will include all overall business. Okay. All plans depends on financial planning only. All plans will depends on financial planning only. So they have to plan effectively. Otherwise, other activities will go wrong. Okay. That's why finance is a lifeblood of the business. The finance we have to utilize effectively. If you want to use effectively means they should plan perfectly. Otherwise we can't use the finance effectively here. Okay. And next is it is helps in avoiding the business shocks and surprise. It is helps in avoiding business shocks and surprise. Yes, the financial planning it will avoid the shocks and surprise. How means before only they will plan. Before only they will plan. Okay, how much funds we have to utilize, how much funds we have to invest. Before only they will plan. At the time we can avoid the certain shocks and surprises. Otherwise we have to face different situations in the organization. Okay. Otherwise we have to face the different situations. Example, corona pandemic only. Okay. We don't know corona will come. But now it is corona situation. Means if you want to face means before only we have to plan. Okay. If excess amount is there means we can manage. Otherwise we can't. Okay. And next is link between investment and financial decision. Link between financial investment and financial decision means always the financial planning which is help to create the link between the investment and financial decision. Okay. Without finance we can't invest. That is rules. We can't change them. Okay. Without finance we can't invest. So if they need funds means first of all they have to take financial decision. After that we will give the funds to invest in different assets. That's why it is always it will create the link between the investment and financial decision. Okay. Next is it is help in coordination. Yes, the organization. In organization, the financial planning will create the coordination between the departments. Example, sales and production. If they don't have coordination between the sales and production means at the time we can't sell the goods and services effectively. Okay. Okay, I will produce low quality goods means I can't sell the products. Yes, means the customers will always give the preference to quality products. If we will produce quality products means at the time we can sell the easily. That's why always the financial planning it will be creates coordination between the production and sales. Okay. The last one is it links present with future. Yes, the financial planning it is sufficient funds. At that time, we can avoid the wastage of the funds and we can avoid the losses in the organization. Otherwise, we can't avoid the losses and wastage in the organization. Okay. I think all of you understood these 10 points. Importance of finance planning. It is very easy. Maybe they will ask for 6 marks. Okay. Make a note of it. It is very important. Okay. I will explain once again. See here, students. It is facilitated to collection of optimum funds. Means the financial planning year estimated required funds. How much funds we need means that much funds only they will provide. What purpose? To avoid the wastage in the organization. Okay. Next it is helps in fixing the most appropriate capital structure here. Okay. The financial planning which is help to arranging the finance from various sources. What are the various sources? Long term sources, medium term sources and short term sources. They will arrange. Long term sources who will contribute? Shareholders and debenture holders. And medium term who will provide? Means financial institutions. And short term who will provide? Commercial banks will provide, with the help of that they are going to invest the funds in the different assets. Next is it is help to invest in the finance in right project. The financial planning will suggest and will give the how funds are invested in best possible manner. They will suggest, they will give the direction to invest. Okay. Means if we will invest means we will get the more profit here. Okay. And operational activities. Operational activities means the success or failure of the any organization. The success or failure of the any organization always depends upon the financing decision. Financing decision within that production and distribution. Okay. If they will not plan, if they will not take decision effectively means at the time we can't run the business smoothly. That's why they will take the financial decision effectively. Okay. Next is this help to proper utilization of the finance here. Yes, they will utilize the proper here. Okay. Finance, it is the lifeblood of the business. Yes. Okay. The financial plan, all the plans, it is depends upon the financial planning only. Financial plan we have to plan effectively. Remaining automatically we can plan easily. Okay. At the time we can utilize the funds effectively here. Okay. Next is avoiding the business shocks and surprises. Yes, we can avoid the shocks and surprises. How means? Before only if we will plan means we can avoid the certain shocks and surprises. Otherwise they can't. So at the time maybe they will have to bear the risk here. And next it is investment and financial decision. Always they link creates the investment and financial decision. Without finance they can't invest. So that's why they will create the link between the financial and investment decision. And coordination. Without coordination we can't do anything in the organization. So they will create a coordination between the production and sales. At the time we will get the more profit. Okay. Last one is it creates a link present with future. Yes, it will create the present with futures. They will plan for future. What's this now? What's the today's situation and tomorrow what we have to plan. Who will plan this? The financial planner will plan. Okay. Thank you students for listening this session. I think